How was it, 18? How you like that, 18? Yeah! How you like that? Again, let's give it up for Terry John, everyone! Paano mas nagustuhan nyo siya kaysa sa performance namin? Crush na yan? Okay lang, maganda yung online. Approve. Pwede. Oh, ano na kasama ko? Ano? Kamusta? Pagod? What if tawagin namin si Terry dito? Gusto nyo? Gusto nyo?
Ang lakas ng mga sigaw talaga.
Tawagin namin si Terry dito?
Ganun pinaka-iniinisan ko talaga.
Gusto nyo si Terry dito?
Ayun na.
Terry, ayun.
Terry!
Magandang gabi, Manila! I go see Terry Joe. It's so nice to meet you guys here. It's my pleasure to be here tonight with y'all and with SB19.
Terry is one of the producers who helped us make this Moonlight so.
Everyone, a round of applause for Terry.
Terry John, everyone.
Alam mo, may napansin ako kay Benjo. Parang may pinapanood. Di ko sure correct me if I'm wrong. Kamukha niyo ba si, Sung Jong Ki?
Oh, yeah. No, hindi ko naman siya.
You know him?
Oh, come on. I know him.
Yeah, so maybe, I know, Terry, how are you finding the Philippines so far?
I'm a little overwhelmed.
Why? About the crowd? Just about the crowd? Because of the crowd?
Yeah, the crowd is
They love you
crazy.
so much, right? You love Terry?
He said the crowd is crazy. Let him know how crazy you guys are! That was good.
Because of that, do you mind if we dance Moonlight?
Yeah.
Should I do it? Alright, let's do it!
Come on, 18, let's make some noise for Terry John!
Everyone dance with us, okay?
Let's do Moonlight with Terry. Okay, let's go, music, play! Make some noise for Terry John!
Thank you guys!
But syempre, hindi pa ito nagtatapos. If you like Terry so much, the stage will be now set on fire by Terry John!
Let's go, Terry!
Manila, baby, you